Hello everyone, I am Ruchi. Welcome to my channel Reckon Classes. Today I am going to teach you fundamental concepts of triangles and quadrilaters. And the link of other videos related to this topic you can find in the description. Let's start. Basics of triangles. A triangle is a closed shape with three angles, three sides and three vertices. So ABC is a triangle and we have three vertices 1, 2 and 3 and three sides 1, side 2 and side 3. BC is side 1, CA is side 2 and AB is side third. And this is angle 1, angle A, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. So triangle has three angles, three sides and three vertices. Sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. The sum of any two sides is greater than third side. Fourth, on the basis of length, triangles are three types. First one is scalene, and in according to a scalene triangle, its all sides are different. Length of all sides are different. Means all three sides have different side measures. So this is ABC, this one is scalene triangle. So all sides are different in measure. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides have equal length. Suppose this ABC is a triangle, so AB equal to AC. So those sides equal in length. Now next one is equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all three sides equal to each other. Means suppose this is ABC triangle, so AB equal to BC equal to CA. So all sides are equal. Now next one. Fifth, on the basis of measure of angles, triangles are three different types. First one is acute angle triangle. So in acute angle triangle, all of its angles less than 90 degree. So in this case, and this is acute angle triangle, so सारे ही एंगल 90 से कम हैं. Right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, one of the angles is equal to 90 degree. So कोई सा भी एक एंगल 90 डिग्री होना चाहिए, तो ये 90 डिग्री. So this is called, this one is right angle triangle. Now obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle means, in obtuse angle triangle, any of its one angles more than 90 degree. So in this triangle, angle B is more than 90 degree. So this is obtuse angle triangle. Now next one is perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle equal to sum of all sides, means AB plus BC plus CA. So perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides. Then Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, it is valid for right angle triangle. So suppose we have triangle ABC and B 90-degree है. So in this case, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Now next one. The line joining the midpoint of a side of a triangle to a opposite vertex is called median. It's called median. Suppose AB का midpoint P है, तो BC का midpoint P है, तो A से जो हम line draw करेंगे, then AP is called median. Now ninth one. The median of a triangle divides into two triangles of the same area. So area of ABP is equal to area of triangle APC. Now next one, area. 10th one, the point where the three medians of a triangle meet is called centroid. The centroid divides each of the median in the ratio of 1:2. So in this triangle ABC, P is the midpoint of BC. Suppose Q is the midpoint of AC and R is the midpoint of AB. So we join BQ. So BQ and RC. So this is the point जहाँ पर तीनों मीडियन मिले उसको हमने कह दिया O. So O is the centroid. O is called centroid, and centroid divides each median in the ratio of 1:2. It means OP upon OA equal to OQ upon OB equal to OR upon OC equal to 1/2. Now 11th one. In an isosceles triangle, the altitude from the vertex bisect the base. Means isosceles triangle means जिसकी दो साइड्स इक्वल हो, मीन्स इस ABC ट्राइंगल में AB इक्वल टू AC. देन एल्टीट्यूड फ्रॉम वर्टेक्स A, इट्स बाइसेक्ट बेस BC. मीन्स BC, suppose this is B point, so BP equal to PC. Now 12th one. The line joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to half of it. It means suppose P is the midpoint of BC and Q is the midpoint of AC. So when we join PQ, we have line PQ. So in this case, PQ is parallel to AB and PQ is half of AB. Now 13th. Four triangles are formed by joining the midpoint of the side of a triangle. यहाँ पर ABC ट्राइंगल में BC का ये इसमें BC का मिड पॉइंट P है, AC का मिड पॉइंट Q है एंड AB का अगर R है, तो अगर हम इन सब मिड पॉइंट्स को मिला देते हैं तो हमारे पास चार ट्राइंगल बनते हैं, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 triangles are formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of a triangle. All triangles are equal in area and each equal to 1/4 of the given triangle. It means area of triangle 1 equal to 1 upon 4 area of triangle ABC. Now 14th. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the squares of their corresponding sides and corresponding altitude. सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स क्या होते हैं? जिनका शेप सेम होता है मगर वो साइज में अलग हो सकते हैं. जैसे यहाँ पर ABC and DEF are two similar triangles. So area of triangle ABC upon area of the triangle DEF, this is equal to AB square upon DE square equal to BC square upon EF square equal to AC square upon DF square. So these are corresponding sides and corresponding altitude. Suppose A से हमने ड्रॉ किया altitude, A से हमने जो ड्रॉ करेंगे हम altitude, तो वो हमारा आ जाएगा मान लीजिए AP एंड D से जो हमने ड्रॉ किया वो मानिए AQ. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू AP स्क्वायर अपॉन DQ स्क्वायर. सो कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एल्टीट्यूड के स्क्वायर के भी बराबर होगा. सो दीज आर सम बेसिक प्रॉपर्टीज और बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ट्राइंगल. Basics of quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a closed shape that is formed by joining 4 points. It has 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices. Second, sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Third one, there are different types of quadrilaterals. They are identified on the basis of their unique properties. So quadrilateral square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, isosceles trapezium. So these are some quadrilaterals. Fourth, the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. The diagonals of rectangle are equal and bisect each other. The difference between स्क्वायर एंड रेक्टेंगल क्या है कि स्क्वायर के डायगनल्स एक दूसरे को राइट एंगल पे काटते हैं लेकिन रेक्टेंगल के नहीं. दोनों में ही डायगनल्स इक्वल और बाइसेक्ट करते हैं, एक दूसरे को इक्वल होते हैं बाइसेक्ट करते हैं, मगर स्क्वायर में वो 90 डिग्री पर बाइसेक्ट करते हैं एक दूसरे को. सिक्स्थ, द डायगनल्स ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. Each diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into 2 triangles of same area. Eighth one, a parallelogram and a rectangle on a same base and between same parallel lines are equal in area. Parallelogram and rectangle on a same base and between same parallel lines are equal in area. Ninth one. Ninth, the diagonals of a rhombus are unequal and bisect each other at right angles. 10th, the line joining the midpoints of the non-parallel sides of a trapezium is parallel to each other of the parallel sides and equal to half of their sum. 11th, the line joining the midpoints of the diagonal of a trapezium is parallel to each of the parallel sides and equal to half of their differences. So here I have explained some fundamental concepts of triangles and quadrilaters. In my next video, I will explain important formulas related to area. I will be uploading next video soon. So please like my video and hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming video. Thank you.